Here is a wonderful 2023 Nissan Armada. This serene and seriously strong Armada delivers full-size SUV mightiness and an effortlessly luxurious ride. Standard driver assist safety tech and touchscreen infotainment let you enjoy every adventure with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, premium sound system, power passenger seat. Get the full-size SUV that's as capable as it is comfortable. This Armada does it all in style. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.